What's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor J, coming back at you with another unboxing. And today we got this right here. And this is not a box. Why? Because my wife took it out of the box. Okay? So I can't unbox it. I have to unbag it. And this right here is a hard shell backpack. Okay, I paid $39.99 for it, but it's off sale right now for $45.99. All right, so this is the hard shell, and it comes with the port, so you can charge up your electronic devices with a wire connected to the backpack to your electronic device, all right, or inside the bag. So let me give you a little bit of details so you can know what you're getting. It's a hard shell shoulder backpack for men. Tactical crossbody, waterproof, travel, sports, cycling, day pack, EVA, hard shell series backpack without the lock. And you get all that for right now for $45.99. But if you can catch it on sale, it might drop as low as $39.99. All right, guys. So without further ado, let's get to the eagle eye view. Hey guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Get to the unboxing, guys. What I'm bagging. I don't think I need a knife for this today. All right, let's see. Oh, it comes in 2 bags. Okay, I like this. Okay, I like that. I mean, I could use this for some clothes or something. All right, so maybe this is waterproof, not the bag. We'll see. But I like that. I like the way they did that. So you got 2 bags in here. I like that. All right, so here we go. How that go? Okay. Oh, you see that? We got something in the back right here. Okay. Alrighty then. Oh. All right, so let's look at this. So we got this right here. So we have this opening here. Okay. So there we go. This out. We have this. We have this for this right here. Oh, and the seal, guys. So you have the, I guess because it's waterproof, it says it's waterproof. Now, I ain't gonna test this out today, but you got a USB-A and a USB-C. Like that. Okay. We have that. I might go outside and spray this with the hose a little bit. Never know. Okay, so we have this pocket. Put stuff in here. You have this up here. Okay. Little knickknacks. And you can put some knickknacks in here. All right, I like that. All right. Again, this is the one without the locks or case. Okay, let's open the back one up here. We have another one, but we have this one's a little more here. So that's how that goes. Hold on for 1 second. All right, brought my little light so we can kind of see what's down in here. So you can see how deep it is. If I can get the angle just right. You see how deep it is. It goes all the way down. So that means you can put certain things in here. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and see, put some stuff in here. I might go outside, spray it with the hose and see, and bring it back in and let you see if it get wet inside. So let's do that. Let's go outside. I'm going to spray it with the hose, let you see me spray it with the hose. Then we're going to look inside and see how that works. All right. All right, guys, we're outside. Kind of noisy out here, but we're going to go ahead and see And this is waterproof. All right, guys. Let's see how it looked. Now, it is a little heavy because I did soak it through a little bit. But on this side, it didn't get wet. As you can see, it didn't get wet. So now on this, it did. As you can see, so when they say waterproof, they're talking about, like a drink. Now, it didn't get all the way down. But as you can see, it did get wet right here. Let's go check on this side. So as you can see, it did get wet around the edges, but nothing truly got past this part. So what I would say, this is good for like a heavy rainstorm or a light drizzle, because it is made out of some type of sealant, or they're sealed plastic or rubber. I'll say rubber, but nothing got in here. As you can see, let's see. I can't get it open. It took me a while to get it open. As you can see, some water got in there because of the fact that this was wet in between, but it took a while to get out. So let's get back to the regular view and I'll give you my final thoughts on this backpack. All right, guys, I'm back, and I am going to give my final thoughts and giving this a grade, this hard shell backpack. Now, what I want to do is show you some of the things you could put in here that will fit comfortably in here. I think a nice, could put in there so you can see that, put my book in there. So you can put two of these in there, or you can put this one here. But your computer stuff should go in the back once I'll put these on top of each other. And then I also got my tablet as well. I can put it on the inside. And anytime you put stuff in here, it's gonna weigh. I was gonna put some weight to it, especially how heavy something is that's on the inside. So, guys, now I'm gonna give this. I think I'm gonna give it a C plus. I do like the fact that it's water resistant. They shouldn't have said waterproof, because waterproof means that there should not have been no water to be able to get in here, even with the seams. It should have been something like water resistant. This is good for if a hard thunder shower, you get caught in the rain, or you get caught in the drizzle. This will protect your stuff. But if you jump in the water, no, you're going to be short. So I give this puppy for $39.99 if you can find it. Now, like I said, the reason why I didn't give no name, because I think this is mass produced and a lot of different people have this. So a lot of different people have this backpack for different prices. So down the link will be the best price I could find, because this particular one is not on sale. So I'm going to try in this description below, give you a link with the best price I could find. Okay, guys? So I give it a C plus, because the fact of the matter is this is water resistant, not waterproof. Okay, it is a nice size. It does look sleek. You got the hard shell, so if you drop it, it should protect your stuff. And I do like the fact that the port is USB-A and USB-C. Okay, guys, before we go, please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank my current and new and current subscribers for still rocking with the channel. All right, guys, $39.99. This is a goodbye. Anything above that, I don't think it's still a goodbye. But, when it says waterproof, you get what I'm saying? But yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, a.k.a. Pastor Tech. Thank you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video. Guys, do me a favor, please hit the notification bell wherever it's located on your screen so you can be notified anytime we drop a brand new video. All right, guys, we got some new videos coming soon. So just want to say, have a good day. Peace.